Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, already you have started our second term and already you have done CW1, 2 and 3. Today I take CW4. Okay. So students, and already you have known what is the procedure of division, how many parts of division, is not it? What is called division? So student, what is called division? The method distributing of something among two or more than two groups is called division. How many parts of division? There are four parts of division. They are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, is not it? So students, today our topic is word problem. Okay, so what is word problem? Word problem is mathematical question where some information are given and by using this information we have to solve the problem by the statement. In word problem there are two parts. One is information part and another one is asking part. Okay, so let's go students. Take out your book and copy. Understand? Page number 67, problem number 3. Now take out your book and copy. From page number 67, problem number 3. Look here. Okay. There are 83 and 7 how many pencils will each student if they so student, look here. There are 83 pencils. There are 83 pencils. There are 83 pencils and 7 students. How many pencils will each student get if they share the pencils equally? So look here. Here two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Look here. These are information part. This one information part and this one asking part. Okay, this one information part and this one asking part. Look here. There are some keywords. You know. Look here. Some keywords. Division. Divide is, half, share, how many, in is, divided by, etc. These are the keywords of division. Okay. Look here. Here, how many pencils will each student get if they share the pencils equally? Okay, we have to do division. Okay, we have to do division. So students, what will be the statement? Look here. In another things, remember it. Asking part will keep in right side. Okay, asking part will keep in right side, and information part will keep in left side. Look here. How many pencils? How many pencils? So asking part is will keep pencil will keep in right side and student will keep in left side. So 7 students. Will get then how many is students? So how many students is students? So one student. Is means one. Is means one. So we can write here one student. (83) divided by 7 pencils. So what will we do now? We have to do now rough work. Okay. So here 83 is dividend and 7 is divisor. 83 is dividend and 7 is divisor. So we have to do now rough work. Here okay. Now how many in dividend? How many digit here? 2 digit. First one 8, second one 3. So look here student. First digit is what? 8 is not it, and our divisor is 7. So 8 is greater than 7. That's why we take 1 digit, not 2 digit. So now we count the times table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 to the 14. 7 1 is 7. 7 to the 14. 14 is greater than 8. That's why we cannot take 14. Okay. We'll take only 7. 1 is 7. 1 times 7 1 is 7. So what will do now? We have to do now subtraction. 8 minus 7. 1. And how many digits left here? 1 digit. This is 3. Now we bring down 3 beside 1. It will be 13. Again we'll count the times table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. But here 13. So we cannot take 2 times. We'll take 1 time. 7 1 is 7. Now we have to do subtraction. So 13 minus 7 how many? 6. It will be 6. So our answer is 11 pencils and remain 6 pencils. So answer will be each student will get 11 pencils and remain 6 pencils. Again I repeat, look here students, here 2 parts. Okay, so first one information part and second one asking part. So student, asking part in word problem, when we solve the word problem, that time asking part will keep in right side. Okay, so students, 7 students will get 83 pencils. Okay, and then here how many pencils will each student get? So each student means how many students? 1 student. That's why I have written here 1 student. Okay, so 1 student will get 83 divided by 7 pencils. Now we have to do rough work. Look here. Here 83 is dividend and 7 is divisor. Okay. Now 7. I have taken here only first digit. Okay, because 8 is bigger than 7. That's why we take here 1 digit. Okay. 7 1 is 7. Now we have to do subtraction. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Then left 3. So I bring down here 3. beside 1, it will be 13. Again, we count the times table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. We cannot take 14 because 14 is greater than 13. That's why we take 1 times. 7 1 is 7. Then we have to do subtraction. 13 minus 7, it will be 6. So our question is 11 and remainder is 6. So I have written here 11 pencils and remain 6 pencils. Answer will be each student will get 11 pencils and remain 6 pencils. Now clear? Okay. Now go to page number 69, problem number 2. Okay. In a class, there are 45 students. 5 students can see in each bench. How many benches will be needed now? Read out this problem. Okay, in a class there are 45 students. 5 students can sit in each bench. How many benches will be needed for them to sit? So students, here are also 2 parts. One is information part, another one is asking part. Look here. This is information part. This is information part. In a class there are 45 students. 5 students can sit in each bench. So how many benches will be needed? This one asking part. This one asking part. Okay. How many benches will be needed for them to sit? So students, we know that asking part will keep in right side. Okay. So we have to do solution. Look here, we have 5 students can sit in one bench. Okay, so 45 students can sit in how many benches? Okay, so we can find easily. We can find it easily by doing division. Okay, look here, students. 5 students in one. Again, look here. Is means what? Is means one. That's why I have written here one. Okay, one bench. Now, 45 students can sit in 45 divided by 5 benches. What will you do now? Now we have to do rough one. Okay, here 45 is dividend and 5 is divisor. So we can write here 5 45. Okay. So look here friends, first digit is what? 4. So 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, so we cannot take one digit, we'll take two digit here, 45. Okay, 45, it will be 45. Now we'll count the times table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, 5 10 ja 50. We cannot take 50 because here 45. Okay, so 5 9 ja 45. Now it will be like, what do we do now? We have to do now subtraction. So it will be 0. Here remainder is 0 and question is 9. So you can write here 9 bases. Answer will be 9 bases will be needed. 9 bases will be needed. So students, again I repeat, look here. In a class there are 45 students. 5 students can sit in each bench. Each bench means one bench. Okay, how many benches will be needed for them to sit? We'll find the number of benches. Okay, so this is asking part. So asking part we keep in right side. Okay, so 5 students can sit in one bench. Each bench means one bench. Then 45 students can sit in 45 divided by 5 benches. Now we have to do rough one. Look here. Here 45 is not it. So we cannot take only one digit because 4 is here. 4 is here smaller than division. That's why we have taken here both digit. Okay, it will be 45. 45. So now we count the times table of 5. 5 9 is 45. It will be 9, and here will be after division. Division we'll have to do subtraction. Okay, so 45, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0. No need to write both 0. Okay, you can write only 1 0 here. Okay, so our question is what? 9 benches. So answer will be 9 benches will be needed. So students, I hope you understand both word problem. You will practice more and more in your home. Understand? So we know practice makes a man perfect. Now I give some homework. Okay. Now read SW number 4, page number 69. Sorry, 67. Page number 67. PM 1 and 2, and learn times table (10 and 11). This is your homework. Okay students, I hope you'll practice more and more in your home. Okay, and you stay home. Okay, Allah Hafiz.